Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create custom profiles on Logitech MX Master 4 with Options Plus application. So first you have to download and install the Logi Options Plus app from the official Logitech.com website. It's free to use, it's easy to download and install, and it's specifically designed for this mouse. So just download and install the Logi Plus app, Logi Option Plus app, and then sign into your account or create a new account in this application. This process is pretty simple. Then in order to see your mouse in this window, so on the main window, you just have to connect it to your computer using any connection type that you prefer. And then once you see it, click on it and select the buttons tab first, then click show activations show actions ring, and then click configure actions ring right here. Now to add a custom profile for applications you have on your PC, you have to click plus icon, then application profile, and then here you can see the supported applications on your computer that you can add a profile for. As you can see, we also have other applications here, so you can create a custom application for any app, a custom profile for any app on your device. But basically you'll only be able to use system features or system actions for these applications. Now as for the supported applications, you have to select one of them that you want to add, and then select one of the available preset, or start with a blank profile by clicking right here. But let's go with the Photoshop Retush, so I can show it to you. For example, so select the preset that you need, then tap right here, and then wait until the Photoshop plugin is installed. Click continue, and now as you can see, you have the Photoshop plugin here. Now as for the Photoshop, in order for you to switch the default profile to Photoshop, from default profile to Photoshop profile, you just have to open Photoshop and it will be enabled automatically. So here we have the default profile, and now if you open Photoshop, let me do this real quick. Oh, not the wrong application. Okay, let's wait until it opens. Let me close the Premiere. So once the Photoshop is opened, let me make it more visible on the screen by making it smaller. Okay, whenever you press the action circle on your mouse, you will see the customized profile, the specific for this application. So basically the switch is happening automatically for many apps, not for all, but I'm gonna talk about it later. Now I want to tell you about the customizing of the action circle. So as you can see, we have different actions here. You can edit the icons, for example, by tapping the three dot icon in the top right corner, or basically next to the action's name, and then select edit icon. And here you can edit this icon by selecting one of the available icons from default ones, or you can get more icons by clicking right here and entering the marketplace. Once you select the icon that you need, for example, let's select this one, you can change the background color here, and what's more important, you can set a layout so this icon is more visible. Now you can also change the icon color itself, so let's change it to white. You can also change the text and the font size and the font color. Click save when you're ready, and as you can see right now we have a custom icon for our action. But you can also delete action by tapping the three-dot icon next to the action's name and click on delete action, and then you can add a new action to this place. You can either use system actions here or go to all actions and then select Photoshop, and here we have actions designed specifically for Photoshop. Now you can either open different sections and select the options that you need, or you can use the search bar by clicking the search icon in the top right corner of the screen, and here you can search for different actions like redo, for example. Now you just have to grab this action and drag it to the plus icon right here, and you will add it to your actions list this way. You can also create folders of actions. To do that, you have to delete the action that you have in this place and then tap the three-dot icon next to add an action icon and then click create folder. Now in folder you can store different actions. As you can see. And now to open this folder you just have to first open Photoshop in my case, and then press the action circle, then hover over this folder, and now you can see all of the available actions you have in this folder, and you can use any of them, which is very useful, I think. Now that's all for customization. I think I covered everything. Now let's talk about customized profiles more. Let's add a new profile, and let's add, for example, Lightroom. So with the Lightroom, let's select default preset. There's only one preset, and then let's install the plugin. Click continue. Okay, now right now we have the Lightroom preset, but for Lightroom specifically, you have to first enable third-party apps, I think, or third-party controllers. So first open the Lightroom in Creative Cloud, and now let's wait until it opens. And for this app specifically, you have to click Edit, then go to Preferences, and then select Interface section. And in Interface section, you have to hit the checkbox next to Enable External Controllers, then click Done, and then you have to restart the program by clicking the X icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then let's reopen it. And basically from now on you can use your customized action ring in the Lightroom. And as you can see, it's different for the Lightroom and for the system. Now since I have one more application in this on my list that has specific settings to enable the actions ring, I'm also gonna cover this application, which is Premiere Pro. So now let's select Premiere Pro. Let's select one of the available presets. Once again, click the arrow icon here to download and install the plugin. Now let's wait until this plugin is installed. And now in case of Premiere Pro, you have to first open the app once again, and inside the Premiere Pro we're gonna have to go to Edit, then Preferences, Edit Preferences, and then find Control Surface on this list, and click on it, and then here make sure that you have a Logi plugin. Edit. If you don't have it, just click Add, and then drop this list down, select Logi plugin, click OK, and from now on you can also use customized action ring. And basically that's it. I think I've covered everything in this video except for the other applications that also require some additional actions for you to be able to use the actions ring in them. But unfortunately I cannot cover them all, so in case I didn't mention your app, you just have to Google the answer on how to enable the actions ring in your specific app. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.